What's up, you guys? Sorry for the noise on the side of a highway. But right now what I'm doing is I'm installing my high pressure crossover hose. So you see if I got one plugged in right there. Going to give it a few more turns just to snug it up and install the other one on the other side. My bolt is right here. They're 16 millimeter plugs. So you got the other plug right there. And this is on the passenger side of the head. Put a 16, break it loose, and put in your new adapter. Pre-lube the O-rings that comes with the adapters, so you won't tear the O-ring. So boom, pre-lube it, set up your O-ring, pre-lube it, set up your O-ring, then install. I'll get right back to you guys. So now I'm on the other side. Already got my ratchet on there. Broke it loose. Like I said, it's a 16. With a stock bolt. Stock fitting that's on the heads. Go. Put the fittings right here. Get our rag. Clean up. Ain't got no mess so far, but still. Swipe up. Now you want to grab your O-rings, fitting.
Yeah, bring it down. I'll leave you by the elevator this way.
So your O-ring goes on this side. Now you want to pre-lube it. You can get some of the oil from the head, dip the finger, you don't mind getting your hands dirty. But if you're working on the diesel, it's already a dirty job as it is. Get some oil and just dab it on the O-ring. Right. Now we got O-ring pre-lube. Let's get the fitting back on there. Screw it on. Snap it on. Boom. Grab your socket. Where did I put my socket? It's right here. Boom. That off. Socket. Get your socket, put it on the fitting, the new fitting. Got it on the new fitting, it's not gonna stay, so let's get our ratchet. Socket on the ratchet. Socket on the on position, and you don't want to overkill this, just a little bit. I gotta do this with two hands. All right, set you down right here. Hold on, let me tighten this up. I'll be right back. Now we're all tightened up. Just gonna clean her up. Grab the line. See if I can get 2 wrenches in there with all the stuff connected still. All right, so yeah, you guys, I got the line on, and don't be like me. You have to remove all the stuff. It's just to make, you don't have to, but it's best that you do, because it makes your life a lot easier. The line was like a little bit too long, so I had to put it on, tighten it, and push it on this side, then it crooked like that. I liked it, so I just tightened it up and kept it like that. Time to put everything back together and test for leaks. And we're all set. Everything's back connected. We got the JIC line in there. Time to fire it up. Still rocking. No leaking.